Hello, organizing gals. Well, here I am organizing my spice cupboard. This is just my sweet spices. I have on the other side of the microwave all my savory spices and in my pantry, but here is just all my sweet spices. So I want to tell you how I'm going to go about organizing this. So I'm looking at my space and I'm realizing, you know, I have a small kitchen. I can actually have another shelf, and I gave away all of my wood because I didn't have room to store it, but I just ran down to the local Restore Habitat for Humanity store where people donate all their used supplies, and I got this piece of wood for $2 and I just cut it to size. And so I'm gonna pop this in, and so that's gonna give me one more shelf, which is really gonna help. So to organize, what you want to do is take everything out of the space that you're organizing. And one of my favorite things to wash off surfaces with is baking soda and water. It releases grime and it is amazing. You know, sometimes I use cardboard to organize. Like this was some little box I had, but I've wanted to upgrade, so I went to Target and I bought some items for $1. So this is a really awesome plastic container I got for $1 from Target, and I just took my measuring tape when I went to the store and I measured this. This was 10, or maybe, no, it was 9 by 10, something like that. So I just measured this and made sure that it would fit, and it fits fantastic, as you can see. And these can slide in and out. So that works great. Even if you think, oh no, I don't want to take everything out of the space, I know it will just be in that same shelf. Just take it out, take everything out, because it opens your mind up to new possibilities, and it really does make a huge difference. So, and I'm gonna wash these things off real quick. So it's like we're doing a little spring cleaning. The bottom one's the dirtiest. So I'm just going to take all these little extracts and put them in this little container. So we're going to look like a little designer kitchen, and it's going to be so fun to have everything labeled. And when my husband and my boys want to make cookies, they can find ingredients that much easier. So I'm gonna put this, let me think, down here, maybe down there. So you want to put your items that you use the most often within closest reach, lowest, and then your items that you use less often as far away, you know, because it's harder to reach. So this is all my food coloring. So I'd like it to all be vertical, so I just have these little containers that I've had in the past that are just Tupperware. So I'm just gonna pop these in. So, because food coloring has a tendency to leak, and if it can stay vertical, it has a higher chance of not leaking. Let's see. I don't know where to put that one. Oh, that works. Okay, so this I don't use very often. Okay, and then all the big items I don't have containers for. I'm just gonna pop these up. I'm putting up all the ones that I use the most often. Use molasses not very much. Use cocoa a ton. These are some of my weird sugars up there. I use vanilla a lot. Honey a lot. This is cinnamon, and I need to label this. And this, let's see, I need to. These you can just get from Amazon. These are really nice. It's like a little black piece of double-sided tape that's really powerful, and then you've got these little 4 hooks, and it fits little things, little jars, really well. And it makes it so my little tiny spice cupboard becomes bigger, which is very nice. So whole cloves, you know, I don't use these very much. I'm just gonna put that in storage. And baking powder, I use this a ton. Stevia. Baking soda, I use it a ton, but dang, it doesn't fit. I want to try to get a smaller container because this I use so much, but right now I'll just put it up here. And there's some more. This is Krystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com, and I hope you'll join me on the 5-day declutter spree.